Hello friends, welcome back to Get Comfy with Comfy. Today we're going to check out Wan Alpha. And Wan Alpha is a Wan 2.1 model that is capable of generating videos with transparent backgrounds. So you can use it to make sprites or animations that have no background that you could then layer on top of each other in any way that you want. So if we go into the Wan Alpha workflow here, this is the default workflow here. I've just promoted some of the stuff out as widgets in this subgraph so that we can duplicate this process and make lots of layers. But to start, we're going to use the Wan 2.1 T2V14B FP16 model that's linked on the GitHub, as well as any LightX Lightning model that you want to use to bring the distillation down to 4 steps. We're going to use the Epoch 13 1500 changed safe tensors file, also linked on the GitHub. We're going to use a shift of 5 on the model sampling, and we're going to use these two separate VAEs, the Wan Alpha 2.1 VAE RGB channel and the Wan Alpha 2.1 VAE alpha channel. Those will create both our RGB layer and our mask layer that we can use to composite these videos into something that has layers later. If we go down here to the K sampler, we'll notice we're doing 4 steps with a CFG of 1, and you can use whichever sampler you feel comfortable with. All the settings here for the canvas are all promoted out into the main workflow here. So if we go back to the main workflow, you can see we have our width, height, and our frame count, and then the prompt for our video, and you can just keep making these over and over again. It dumps out a zip file that has a PNG sequence with transparent backgrounds, and it also has a video combine that shows you the layer with the gray background. And we use this little subgraph up here called black matte, and all this does is adds an FL image blank node, which is a blank background. It multiplies that image by the number of frames, and then adds the image to the black background using the mask that we get from the other subgraph. So basically you can then just copy and paste this Wan Alpha thing over and over again and just make a bunch of different layers and put them all in different folders.